Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you the spicy garlic stir-fry calamari. I must say this is one of my favorite seafood dishes. So without wasting time, let's just get started. So first of all, I have boiled my octopus over here. If you don't know how to cook this, I have the link in the description box. You can check it out. So what I'll do is I'll cut it into smaller pieces. Next, I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some oil. I'll chop some garlic and drop it into the hot oil. I'll let this fry for about 30 seconds to infuse the oil with the smell of the garlic. Don't forget we're doing this on medium to high fire. After the garlic turns a little brown, I'll drop in the chopped octopus. I'll come in with some black pepper, some dark soy sauce, some white pepper, I'll come in with some chili oil. This is very spicy, so depending on how hot you want it, you can add more or you can add less. I'll chop some onions and add it to the calamari. Next, I'll chop some sweet pepper and add it. This will give it some extra flavor. I'll keep stir frying. Next, I'll come in with about 4 tablespoonfuls of red wine. I'll keep stir frying this on medium fire for about a minute. Next, I'll drop in a teaspoonful of cornstarch to thicken up the juice. I'll cook this for 1 minute more. So it's been after a minute and our garlic spicy stir-fry calamari is ready. This is irresistible. I must say this is the way I love to eat my calamari. It is delicious, and of course you are going to need some white wine. I hope you did enjoy this, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.